Good morning, kids. How are you all? Happy Friday and happy learning to all you out there. In our last session, we learned about good manners. Do you all remember those manners and follow at home? Yes, we should greet our parents when we wake up in the morning. Help your mama in her daily work. Listen carefully to your papa when he give you instructions. Take care of your grandparents. Share your food and toys with your brother and sister. Now, do you all know we also learned some magic words? Which are they? Thank you, please, sorry, excuse me, may I? So now today we are going to make a beautiful thank you card that you can give to your mama, papa or anyone. So let us make a beautiful thank you card. So kids, let's start making a thank you card. For this you will need 2 papers folded in half and 2 square papers, small one, to write the message. Some paint, paintbrush, water, glue and color pens. So let's start. First we will write message on this small paper. We will write thank you, Mom. And on the next page, we will write thank you, Dad. Now we will stick this message inside the card. So take the glue and stick it inside the card. See, in this way. Now take your pointer finger and take any color of your choice and start dabbing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this way, make small circles. You can also add another color in the center. See, we made 3 flowers. Now take the paintbrush with green color and draw the lines to make this flowers. Draw the leaf. So your thank you card is ready. Keep it aside to dry. Take another card and draw green lines. Now dab your finger in another color. See, I am taking yellow and start dabbing on the sides of the green line. See, this beautiful flower is ready. Take some golden color and point it out. Now again take some green paint and paint the grass. So your thank you card is ready. You can also make a birthday card in this way. So kids, here is a worksheet for you to practice. As you can see, 4 pictures are given in this worksheet. All you have to do is sequence these pictures by writing number in the box given below. Write numbers from 1 to 4 and sequence the given picture. Now another worksheet, you have to match the good manners to the respective pictures. See, one side the pictures are given and the other side good manners are written. So match the pictures to the respective good manners. So kids, hope you enjoyed this session. See you again in our next session. Till then, stay home and stay safe. Thank you.